Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, we are starting another new SMP, Classmates SMP. Shanmuka is with us. So now let's start our Classmates SMP. First we'll make weapons.
We are thinking to do this commentary in
Telugu.
in our mother tongue, guys. We need
So
likes.
Yes.
We'll do it in our mother tongue, guys.
Okay. Now guys, we'll make weapons. Fast. We have to make weapons. Shanuka, one crafting table is enough, bro.
Yes, bro.
I took all our planks. Now we'll make sticks. Our wire going down, Ray.
Cobblestone, bro.
Not now. Only first we'll explore.
A cobblestone tools only, no, bro.
Okay. You'll not. First you have to make wooden tools, Ray. I'll make only pickaxe. That's enough.
That's only, bro.
Okay.
Only pickaxe.
But where did you go, Ray? Cave, what?
Down. Not a cave.
I'll only
Going
take.
up, you break and come.
Why did you close, Ray?
Means you break and come, bro.
Okay. I'm taking. Guys, now we'll make our weapons. This fellow blocked me down. Open it, I cannot see anything.
Okay, bro, 1 minute. See, I broke.
Where?
Should I make for you also tools?
I'll make. I have so many.
Some is enough, bro.
Yes. First, I should make a pickaxe and axe.
I'll bring little food in that
Okay.
river.
Guys, my game is not responding. 1 second.
There is a turtle, guys, here. And me fishy.
Shanmika, collect fishes, bro.
No fishes, bro. We should go in the sea, ocean only.
Okay. 1 second, don't go anywhere. We both will go together.
Okay. What did you get up today?
Stone.
Okay.
Guys, first thing I'll every time set up my inventory so that it will be easy to take everything. So Shanmika, I'm taking this axe.
Okay.
Come.
Let's go.
Where will go? Which side will go first? Our journey
Go
of
this side, bro. Because I like this.
where? Shanmika, 1 second. We'll kill this turtle.
No, bro. We'll not get anything. Let it be.
Why did you hit me, Ray?
I just got your.
With 2 hearts I left, Ray.
We'll go this side, bro. This
I have very less hearts, bro.
Bro, village.
What? Shanmika will start looting from up. Come.
First we'll go from this.
Okay. Guys, chest, guys. Oh my god. Guys, Shanmika, 1 second.
Yeah.
Down something is there, brown. What?
Oh my god! Wow!
Bro.
Diamonds. Give me 1 diamond, Ray. Give me 1 diamond, please.
Take, bro.
Thank you, bro. Guys.
Oh, in the emeralds also were there, bro.
Yeah, I took. I'll give you 1. Take.
There were 3, bro. Give me 1.
No, only 1 was there. Come, guys. Starting was a luck for us. Now we'll continue our journey. Guys, we make this SMP so beautiful. Now we'll loot this house. First,
Bro, I think so. This is clerk.
yeah, in this any chest is there.
Yes, bro. Clerk only.
Okay, take that. Take this potions.
And let it be there only, bro.
No, we'll take that weighing stand so that we can make potions.
Okay, we'll go here.
1 second.
Oh, you're a cartographer.
Oh, What is trading there? 7.
7 emeralds will get
One
oh,
empty
I got a
map.
chest here. Oh guys, compass.
Compass. Shanmuka will take that compass. It will be helpful for finding our way when we go
I
for.
took. Let's go another house.
Come. Guys, it's night, guys.
Minute guys, I'll split the...
Shanmuka, here one bed is there. I'll sleep, you leave.
Okay.
I'll take one chest also, bro.
What did you got from this chest, bro?
I got a sweet berries.
Okay, bro. Okay.
I slept. I slept. You leave the game.
Oh, bro, here in this also, yeah.
Okay,
It is
okay.
there, here. I slept, yeah.
What are there in the chest?
I did not see. I'll see. Oh, so much. Good, bro.
Food. Okay. Shanmuka, here also one house. I'm going to this.
Wait, I'm coming. There is nothing, bro.
Hey, chest. Shanmuka, chest. Come here.
Wait, I'm
Come.
coming.
3 emeralds. Guys, we got 3 emeralds, guys. OP. Shanmuka,
Me one, bro.
how many emeralds do you have, right?
1, bro.
Okay, take one.
Give me 1.
So, guys, our luck is so much good.
Go that side, bro.
No, we'll take food from this farmer.
No, bro, let it be.
No, we
After
don't
what we
have
do.
so much food now. Right?
Means we'll slowly get
Okay,
them,
here are some sweet berries. I'm taking them.
bro. Yeah.
Where are you?
One house is so far. I'm going there, bro.
Where are you, Ray?
See here, bro.
Where?
Come to this ocean. That clerk house.
Okay, there. Chest is there, bro.
No, I did not run.
Huh?
No, bro. We came here now. That one.
Shanmuka, fern is there, fern. I'm taking this blue bed.
Hey, that's mine, bro. I slept. I kept respawn point.
Nothing will happen.
Okay.
Shanmuka, first we have to set our respawn point, or else if we die, we'll spawn there only.
Yes, bro.
Uh,
I'll keep in this.
I'll keep in this clerk's house.
Okay, bro.
Guys, this is our house now. Shanmuka, once see my bed, bro. OP bed. Come here.
I came, bro. I slept in that.
No. Come here. Come to this clerk's house. See,
I'm
where
coming.
did I keep my bed? This is called OP. See.
Where did you keep?
Come. Why are you breaking those already?
I did not break, bro. That was only broken.
Shanmuka, I'll show you one thing after. See.
Yeah.
Shanmuka, once come here. We'll do one parkour. See, like this.
Parkour.
Yeah.
I know that.
Come.
Without doing that, also I can do.
Now you have to come climb here. Hi. Oh! Guys, I fell down.
Okay, I came here. Oops, yes.
Shanmuka, I'm here. See.
Yeah. Come.
See, I'm here.
I saw you, bro. Come.
Oh, guys, I don't know I don't know how to do parkour. So Shanmuka, what we'll do now? Next?
We'll make a small house or
No.
for mining, bro.
Yes,
Let's build iron.
Yeah, we need iron. Where are you? I'm taking here some sweet berries.
Yeah. Wait a minute. I will go and keep respawn point, bro.
Okay.
And I'll keep some important stuff in this house.
Shanmuka, take compass and come.
Yeah. I'm bringing.
I told you to bring chest. Where is it? I'll keep my.
I kept in my house, bro.
Okay. I'll take one chest and. So guys, now. Okay. I have chest. One chest is enough for our things.
I kept in that house where you
Okay.
where you slept.
Yeah. Brewing stand. I need pumpkin pie. Sticks I
Bro, I'm
need.
taking some food from this farm.
Okay, take.
Bro, fastly go and bring one emerald, bro. He's trading 6
What, bro?
bread for 1 emerald.
Why we don't need a
You're getting free bread, bro.
free.
I'm
Yeah.
trading,
Okay, you trade.
Okay, bro.
Come. We'll mine near my house. Okay. Come here then.
No, bro. We'll search a cave.
Why cave, re? No. And guys,
know, bro.
I made a video on a new update, caves and cliffs. You also did that. Arey, give me one emerald. I'll give you afterwards, sir.
I used all the emerald, bro. Sorry.
Okay. Guys, I got something. One second. Pumpkin seeds I got. Okay.
Keep them back, bro. Keep them back.
For advancement, I did like that, bro.
Okay, bro.
Come.
Bro, let's go.
Where are you, Ray? Are Shanmuka, there are so many fishes. Come.
Wait, I'm coming.
Guys, now we have to do fish hunt. I got one fish. Come on. Guys. Okay, finally we got 2 fishes. Where are you?
Bro, I'll not take fishes, sir.
Why, bro?
I have so much food.
What food you have, bro?
Bread, potatoes.
Shanmuka, give me some potatoes, bro. I don't have.
Take, bro.
Wait, 1 second, I'll eat some.
I'm coming. Wait, I'll help you.
Oh! Guys, now. Guys, we made so many SMPs, but this is a real SMP. Oh, why are you hitting me, Ray?
Bro, sorry.
Guys, we got kelp, I think.
Take help, bro. It will help to melt things.
Okay. Guys, I ate pumpkin pie.
Take so much. We need so much help.
You take, Ray. Shamika, give me potatoes.
Wait.
Shamika, do one thing. You just break down one, all will come.
Yeah, I know, bro.
Guys, oh wow. Guys,
Some house like English, bro.
we'll make house fast. How many? I got bone meal. Shanmuka, now not wasting time. We'll go for mine.
Yeah, yes.
Come here. We'll go. Did you bring Are you bringing compass?
Yes.
1 second. I need some stone. I'll cook fish.
Okay, bro. That's a cave, bro.
No.
It's a cave, I think so, bro.
No. Only didn't.
Wait, I'll make a small place. Come here, bro.
1 second, I'm making furnace.
I'm also making, bro. But no. Coal, no, bro.
Huh?
Coal.
With kelp you said we can do, Nare.
We should try that kelp and make it a dried kelp, bro. Then we can do.
How to make it into dry kelp?
We need coal.
I have oak plants. I will do with that.
Yeah, I do have that. You keep another. Keep here, bro. You're making there, okay, done.
Mm-hmm. I got one cooked fish. Shanmuka, give me some potatoes, bro.
Yeah, bro. I'm making them into baked potatoes. We'll get more.
How many you have? Potatoes.
15, 16,
Uh,
17 we have.
17, huh? Give me half.
Yeah. I'll do. Let them bake.
Okay.
Bro, I think so. This is a polar biome, bro.
Yeah, if I think.
Their flower biome is there.
So guys, I cooked my fish. Now bye bye.
Take this also, bro. 1 minute. You be there only.
Give me that. I'm taking one potato.
Take this 5 potato. I'll give you. Take this fish also.
Did you cook that fish, huh?
No, bro.
Okay, how many potatoes do you have? 10,
Now
huh?
10 I have for me, bro. Take
I-
this one.
Second. If one more I take, it will be equal for us both.
See, bro. I do it.
Yeah. Now, okay. Now we
Take
equal.
time for me, bro.
Okay. Till that time, I will cook my fishes. You gave extra 3 fishes. Guys, I hope our SMP will go nice.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Yeah. Shanmuka will do straight digging.
Bye, bro.
Straight because iron is not that much rare.
That's why we'll go in caves, bro. We'll get copper also.
Yeah. Copper. I know one place, Shanmuka.
Yeah, we'll go there. Come, let's go.
1 second. First we'll take iron. We came for iron, but we are not taking from that time. Shanmuka, it's night.
It's night. Yeah, we'll go.
Yeah, fast. We have to go to our houses. Move, turtle.
We'll see, bro. We'll go first.
Where is the village, Rare? We came too far. I'm going to my house.
Okay.
You also come.
I'm friend of you only, bro.
So guys, if you did not like this video, like it and complete 100 subscribers.
Yes, bro.
I don't sleep in my room, Ray.
This is your house,
Yeah. Huh?
Okay.
No, this is, I don't know.
Yours is Clark house, no, bro.
Yeah, I forgot.
They are doing a meeting here, bro. See, these 3 monkeys.
The 3 are farmers, huh?
Not farmers.
I think they all are family, bro. So I slept.
One is a cartographer, one is what
Yeah.
is his name? Leather worker.
Ah.
One more is
Sleep,
farmer.
Shanmuka, sleep.
Yes, bro. I'm sleep. Bro, no golem, bro.
Yeah, I
And
thought.
no mobs also.
Yeah. Mobs are very less. I see only
Yeah.
creepers. There are nothing.
Yeah.
Shanmuka, I am doing straight digging, Ray. You do. I don't know you will what you do. I will not
bro.
go to. First, I'll show you that iron one. Come here.
Wait, bro.
Spider. Come here, bro.
Take.
Here only I saw.
Where are you, bro?
Come here. We got diamonds. Here I
Yeah.
saw. But there are not. Shanmuka, I'm doing
Bro,
straight.
can you mine for me this?
What?
Can you mine for me this, bro?
What?
I forgot this name.
Granite.
Yeah, granite.
Why?
For making house, bro.
Are not now. First we'll take this iron.
Wolf sheep, bro. I have sheep.
Shanmuka, if you see wolf, tell I have sweet berries. I will tame.
Yeah. I saw, bro, one. It
Yeah,
was
I
there
also.
only.
Shanmuka, I'm going down.
Okay, wait, I'm coming.
Arre, Shanmuka, we have to find torches. Oh
Not
god.
a cave, bro. Not a cave.
Oh, this
Bro,
villager.
come here, bro. This is nice. This
Where?
is Come here.
Where are you?
I'll tell my coordinates.
Are not coordinates, Ray. I'll be confused with that coordinates.
216, bro.
1 second, I'll open 260 now. Oh, you went so much far.
216.
I saw this sheep.
from sheep, come straight.
Shanmuka, I'm taking sweet berries.
Yeah, sweet berries, yeah, come.
Where are you?
217.
17.
Yeah, I'm telling Z.
Tell X-ray.
X is 212.
Shanmuka, I found a wolf.
Really?
What? Tell me
Damn it,
again.
damn it.
Tell me again. I don't have bone. Tell me again.
212, sorry.
X.
Sorry.
212. Okay, I'm very near. 1 second. Just now I came to 212.
Where, bro?
1 second. I'm in 212. Then why?
5 is 66.
60. Don't move.
Yeah, 66 only, bro.
Shanmuka, you come to our village.
Okay, bro. Come to the sheep, sir.
I don't know where are the ships.
We come to the village.
Tell me the coordinates.
Come to the village, bro.
Tell me the coordinates. I think you are near.
No, bro, I came to the village. Creeper.
Except creepers, nothing is there here. Near sheeps also one creeper is there.
Yeah, there only I am also. See, bro, come.
Come.
First we'll go this one, bro. This is little nice. Then we'll go to that. Coal is also there.
Okay.
Take the coal, bro. Make them into sticks.
I have sticks so many.
Take this.
Give me coal.
Bro, creeps.
Creep.
Not.
I think in this cave there are so many creepers.
Come here.
Shanmuka, take 10 torch. Oh my. Shanmuka, take 10. RL Salon. Guys, we got OP cave. My health is very less. I'll eat some food.
Come here, bro. That is.
Small zombie. Move, Shanmuka. Shanmuka, hit tree. I'll die.
Yes, bro.
I'll die.
I'm doing.
Shit.
Sorry. This-
Guys, what? Where are you,
I
Shanmuka?
cannot see. Come here, come. Wait.
Okay, I got that cave. I came. Guys, what?
Wait, bro.
Give my all the things. Sweet berries all.
Take this.
Yeah, 18, okay.
Take this.
Furnace.
This yours only. This 5 I gave you. This 7. This yours.
Potato 7. Potato I should have 9.
Oh, that potatoes are mine, bro. Take this one. Give me that 5 potatoes. Yes, bro.
1 second, I'm setting my inventory.
Okay.
Did you kill that zombie?
Yes.
Shanmuka, give me
Bro,
my
this is
crafting
a big
table.
cave, bro.
1 second, give me my crafting table.
Okay, I threw it. Come here.
Okay. Where is my pickaxe, Ray? Pickaxe and axe. Give me.
See.
Arey.
Yeah, I forgot to give them. Yeah.
And axe.
I threw.
Axe I don't. Okay.
Once see that side, bro. How much big cave it is?
1 second. Oh shit. Guys. Shanmuka, give me that coal. I'll convert into torches.
Yeah. First place to the torch.
Give.
Take the.
Give.
Let's see.
Okay. I have 5 sticks only.
Bro, you want the wood? No, I'll give you it.
Give.
Take.
How many sticks do you have? Okay, correct. Not correct. Who gave some less? Okay, we'll keep this rest
First keep, bro.
for cooking. Where should I keep?
There. Enough. See that?
Oh
1
shit.
minute, bro. I'll come in at 2 minutes.
Where are you going, Ray? Bats are there, bats. I'll keep torches. Shanmuka, here is so much coal. Here there is so much coal. But no iron. 1 piece of iron. 1 ore is also not there. Guys, Shanmuka went somewhere. Hello. Hello, Shanmuk. Shanmuka, here nothing is there. One second. Guys. Shanmuka, unmute yourself. Oh.
Bro,
Yeah.
once give me some torches. Come here, we have so much coal.
Arey, not cold now. We need. Once come with me here. Your big
yeah.
cave is there. Oh. Iron, guys. Finally we got iron.
I told you we'll go first there only, no, bro. You already told
You
me.
only said here is big cave.
Yeah, I told this is a big cave.
Okay. Don't go
Give me
there.
some torches, bro.
I'll keep Ray. Come. Arey.
Here, iron is there. This iron is mine. This
Okay.
iron is mine. Hey, give me the iron, bro. You took that vein, you give me this vein. Bro,
I took only one iron. Arey, don't hit Ray.
okay, bro, okay.
I'm giving. Take. I threw it here. Hello.
Yes, bro. I'm coming. Yes. Torches, please.
More iron beside you, man. Guys, here we got iron so much. We have to make a. Oh, shit.
Wait, bro, I
What
know
the
a
hell?
trick.
Through water, we don't have iron bucket.
Not water, bro. Go near them.
I'll help you.
They'll do it that.
Oh,
Yes, bro, that's it.
2 gonna.
Yeah.
I think it's night, bro.
Yes, bro.
Shanmuka, I think here one creeper spawner is there. That's why. From that time there.
No, bro. Creeper spawner will not be, bro.
Yeah. Shanmuka, once come here. Here.
We'll go this side, bro. Then we'll go. While coming back, we'll go.
Okay.
Yeah.
If iron tell. Arey, that is only this way, Ray.
Yeah, same. No way more.
Nothing done.
Take the coal, bro. Some.
You take, Ray.
You take that one, I'll take this.
Okay.
Bro, copper.
Guys. What? Copper?
Yeah.
Where?
Here only.
Where, Ray?
I named it as copper, bro. Coal is called as copper.
Arey, Shanmuka.
If I got copper, why I will tell you, bro.
Guys,
But we cannot make copper tools now, bro.
Yeah. But we can make spyglass with that we can make.
Yeah, that's it.
Spyglass and something I don't know. So guys,
Candle, not
okay. So guys, that's it for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Bye.